Nice one, guys. So look at this. Things looking good. So what we're going to do now, we're going to kick it off by making a nice, simple little drink. In the evening, alright? I love to make this kind of drink because at the end of the day, it's worth it to drink something healthy at home. And I love to preach healthiness and all these things. Alright? So first of all, we have carrot. I got two medium-sized carrots. I'm gonna cut up some carrots. I removed the skin from the carrot already, so that's all good. And then we got half of a lemon. I removed the skin. Secondly, I got some ginger powder because I can't get fresh ginger, so I'm using ginger powder at the moment. Nice one. We got some spinach. I'm gonna put another carrot inside of it. Lovely and nice. Beautiful one, guys, honestly. Keep piece of a cucumber. Alright. Straight inside of it like this. Nice one. So what you want to do, you can use a little bit of apple juice inside of it. Not much. Nice one. And what we're going to do, we're going to make a little bit of a noise. Alright. You know, Chef Ricardo love to make noise. So that's what we're going to happen right now. Alright, so look at that. Beautiful. Look at the color. The color is amazing, guys. Honestly. The color is fantastic, nice, and also lovely. Let's blend. So what we want to do is run it through our strainer. Alright. Then I get rid of the fiber, because we don't want the fiber. We just only want the liquid. Alright. And what you can also do is get the pineapple juice and just put some more on top of it like this. You know what I mean? You hear that? Yeah, man, that's what you want to do. You want to make sure everything come out perfect. Yeah, man. So I have to do it, guys. This is so easy to make at home. Honestly, it's just like amazing and fantastic. You don't have to worry yourself and stress yourself and I wonder what's gonna, you know what I mean? This is just really nice and lovely to make at home. Alright? As you can see it for yourself. It's just one of these things, you know? Look at that. Beautiful lovely, tasteable, and nice. So what we're gonna do now, just fill up our container with this beautiful drink. No sugar, no honey, no nothing, you know. Alright, the only reason why I don't put no ice in it, the weather is very cool. You don't need to have nothing else in that. It's pretty good and good to go. Alright guys, if you like the recipe, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Alright, please share this an amazing video with your family, your friend, and all these things. Alright, I make them watch this fantastic, lovely, beautiful, very delicious drink at home. Alright, not only that, they might have said everything we put the chisel seed in it. You know what I mean? Very good for you. You can put a little bit of this seed in it. You know, it's a teaspoon, and you're pretty good to go. That's it, guys. Stay tuned in, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe with Chef Ricardo cooking. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Alright? And delicious. Yeah man, I hate that. Beautiful.